Welcome back to my channel Education Hub. Point 48.
Dizzy. Dizzy. I feel dizzy when I stand up too quickly. Get a shot. Get a shot. I need to get a shot for the flu. Ultrasound. Ultrasound. I'm going to have an ultrasound to check the baby. Blood pressure. Blood pressure. I have high blood pressure. Side effect. Side effect. Are there any side effects from this medicine? Insurance. Insurance. I have health insurance. Crutches. Crutches. I broke my leg and now walk with crutches. Injection. Injection. The nurse gave me an injection. Pain. Pain. I have pain in my stomach. Prescription. Prescription. I'm here to pick up my prescription. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. Is there a wheelchair available? Patient. Patient. The patient is feeling better now. Wait. Wait. You'll need to wait for the nurse to call your name. Scale. Scale. Let's check your weight. Please step on the scale. Stomachache. Stomachache. I have a stomachache. Suggest. Suggest. The doctor suggested I get more rest. Injury. Injury. He has a leg injury. Measure. Measure. The nurse measured my blood pressure.
Thanks for watching Education Hub. Point 48. Subscribe for more videos.